CINAHL, which stands for Comprehensive Nursing and Allied Health Resource, is a great source for nursing and allied health articles, providing full text for more than 1,300 journals. In this video, we're going to look at how to access CINAHL Complete, unique features of the database, and an example search. To get to the CINAHL Complete database, start at the Highline Library homepage, library.highline.edu, and click on Databases. Then click Databases by Subject and choose Nursing. CINAHL is the first database on that list. This will take you to CINAHL's advanced search page. If you aren't already logged in, you'll first be prompted to enter your Highline username and password, which is the same as your Canvas username and password. On the advanced search page, you'll notice 3 search boxes and a Limit Your Results section. Here are some search options that can really help with nursing research. Using these limiters can help you find the articles you need more quickly. Keep the full text box checked so that you'll only see articles that Highline users have access to. Then you can limit your search to show only articles that are peer-reviewed, evidence-based practice, or those that have nurse authors. You can also select criteria to apply to patients, such as age group. Let's look at an example search. Say I'm looking for articles about e-cigarette prevention for teenagers. First, I put my keywords into separate search boxes. Then under age group, I'm going to choose adolescent and click search. This search brought me 73 results. You'll notice some of the same limiters on the left-hand side of the results page. If I want to limit my results to only show more current articles, I can slide the bar or enter the date range that I want. Now I have 67 results. Let's look at the first one. If this looks like an article that I might use for my project, I can click PDF full text to read the article, or export it to my Google Drive or email it to myself to read later. I can also get the citation for the article. Because the citation is computer generated, you'll want to double check to make sure it's correct. As always, if you have any questions or need help with this resource, contact your Highline librarians.